Hello, my dear students. Today's topic is product life cycle. Life cycle, as the name suggests, is a journey of any living or non-living thing from its birth to its death. In our case, this journey is of a product, specifically a pharmaceutical product. Product life cycle, a concept that provides a way to trace the stages of a product is acceptance from its introduction to its decline. This is the basic example of product life cycle where after the launch of Ambassador, it was considered a privilege to own it. Then through various life cycle stages such as growth, maturity and decline, the product Ambassador was withdrawn from the market few months back due to no demand. There are various stages of product life cycle such as product development stage, introduction, growth, maturity and decline. And these stages are described in terms of sales, profit and losses investment in the given graph. Now let's go to first stage of product life cycle, that is product development stage, which begins when the company develops a new product idea, sales are zero, investment costs are high, profits are negative. Now second stage of product life cycle, that is introduction, which includes low sales, high cost per customer acquired, negative profits, little competition, demand is created, customers made to try the product. These are the various parameters which are considered carefully while introducing a product in the market. Now, third stage of product life cycle, that is growth, which includes rapidly rising sales, average cost per customer, rising profits, growing competitions. These are the various parameters which will be constant in every stage of product life cycle, but their end result will be different every time. Fourth stage of product life cycle, that is maturity, which includes sales peak, low cost per customer, high profits, competition begins to decline and brand differentiation. These are the parameters. Fifth stage and last stage of product life cycle, that is decline, which includes declining sales, low cost per customer, declining profits, declining competition. Okay, this is the product life cycle study of aspirin. Aspirin market is about a century old. Earlier it was used as antipyretic analgesic but lost its market to paracetamol and due to certain side effects of aspirin. It was repositioned in the market with safer dosage forms such as enteric coated tablet, buffer coated dispersible tablets. Brands like Disprin, Microfine, Aspro succeeded while lesser known brands vanished from the market. This is the best example of product life cycle to study and understand as we are using it regularly. Maggi noodles was launched in India in 1982, keeping in mind working women and children. It was pioneer in instant noodle market at that time. At the time of launch, it was priced very reasonably so that anyone could have purchased it. The tagline for Maggi was "Bus 2 minutes" initially. Now in second stage, that is growth, sales gradually increased. Brand Maggi was able to capture 50% of the market share in instant noodle market and become number one brand. The tagline also changed to "Good to eat, fast to cook." In third stage, that is maturity, Maggi introduced new variety and starting price was also reduced to ₹5 with big promotional offers as the sales slowed down and market was also saturated. In the last stage of product life cycle of Maggi, sales were down drastically, so company tried changing the formulation and launching some new product variants of Maggi, but it failed. Reintroduction of Maggi noodle. Maggi was then again reintroduced in the market in 1999 with some changes in distribution strategy, focusing on new segments of consumers and marketing it with the help of new and interesting TV commercials. Conclusion. The product life cycle stages explain the growth and decline of revenues and profits associated with a product or service. The company has to develop appropriate strategies and tactics in each of these product life cycle stages in order to improve its market position and profitability. All products, whether costly or cheap, are mortal. Thank you.